Betterment's check-ins accounts, is it worth it or is it not worth it? And on top of that, is it even worth being waitlisted for it, because you can't even sign up for it currently? Now, the best way to actually find out if a company is worth it or not is by comparing it to its competitors. Now, you might say, Tommy, no, you have to compare it to the big banks. Okay, that's what they're going after. No, here's why. Big banks have credit cards and loans and all that fancy stuff. These online banks have to be compared to each other. Why? Because they're competing against each other, not big banks, because big banks are not participating in high interest rates and are not participating in the entire no fee zone. Okay, so now in this video we're gonna call in customer service and actually compare it to Varo, SoFi, and even Acorn Spend, and actually find out if Betterment's check-ins account is even worth the wait. Okay, because we're gonna find this out. On top of that, I do want to say something, guys. I don't have an incentive. I don't have any links down below saying like, oh my gosh, when you sign up I get this, you get this. No, I don't have an incentive to recommend a product over the other product. It's all based on features and which one is actually better for you. So if you want to find out if Betterment Checking is actually better for you than all the competition out there, make sure you stick around to this video. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant and I post videos on YouTube every single day. Yes, I said daily content. No one else does this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, which again is every single day. And do me a favor, hit the like button if you're excited to find out which of these online banks is actually the best one compared to Betterment's new account. Okay, so make sure you like the video. On top of that, I want to ask you a question. Currently, today, yes, I said today, what checkings accounts do you currently have in your arsenal currently? Do you have Varo, an online bank? Do you still have a big bank? Let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know why. What do you like about the big banks? What do you like about the online banks? Comment down below, let me know. Now, I want to clarify something for everyone out there, and here it is. Well, Tommy, what is Betterment trying to do with these checkings accounts? And the answer is this: they're trying to create a monopoly. Tommy, what are you talking about? Monopolies aren't legal. Well, that's not what I'm talking about, okay? I'm talking about basically they're trying to create something, one platform that you don't need to do anything else anywhere else, right? So for example, you can do investing here, you can do check-ins here, you can do savings here, you can do everything from one platform, and you can have one of the best rates in the market currently. Now, here's my thing, guys. This is not gonna work, in my opinion, and here's why. Because there's too much competition out there, and the competition out there is focusing on other things that Wealthfront or Betterment can't do currently. So for example, you have Varo offering very high rates, you have Betterment offering free ATMs, you have SoFi offering the same thing, Acorn offering the same thing. So it's gonna be very hard to create a monopoly across the board. Now, what I do believe is this: big banks are gonna miss out right now on everything that's going on, and eventually these online banks that are going on right now, they're gonna be able to do all things. Okay, so for example, they're gonna be able to do invest, save, check-ins, loans, credit cards, everything. And when this happens, big banks are gonna be left behind, and they're gonna have one option, which is buy them out. So comment down below and let me know, do you prefer to have everything in one place, from investing, savings, everything in one place, or do you rather get the best deal across the board? So for example, if Wealthfront has a higher rate, which it doesn't right now, would you put your money there, and then the check-ins over here, and then like the savings over here? Like, what would you do? Like, let me in the comments down below if you prefer one place for everything, or you prefer to spread around your money all over the place just to get the better deal in your pocket. Comment down below, let me know. Now, I do want to establish something before calling customer service, and here it is, guys. If you don't know, last week, I think like 3 days ago, I called Betterment customer service. They didn't have a lot of answers, and the customer service agent was kind of like, kind of iffy with me. Now, here's my thing. I called at the end of the day, so it might have been that, oh my gosh, you just want to get home, you asked me so much questions. I get that, so I can't blame you for that. But here's my thing. Today, I'm going to call in around 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. in New York, so there's a lot of time, there's a lot of room, nobody's leaving work right now, so everyone should be calm. I'm going to call in today and actually give them a chance to redeem themselves and actually ask them all the questions and compare them to all the other banks and see exactly what they actually have to offer. On top of that, guys, I want to establish one more thing, and here it is. These check-ins accounts don't affect your credit score, they don't have any fees, and on top of that, they all have great customer service over the phone. So just want to clarify that all these options I'm giving you here, from Varo, SoFi, Acorns, Betterment, they all have customer service over the phone, so there's no issue there. But I'm going to call in Betterment to ask them all the questions as you compare them to each other. So let's call and let's find out what happens. So like always, we're going to call in and see how long it takes us to get on the phone. But I want to say this, guys, all the questions I'm asking are in the description down below, so just check that out. On top of that, I'm gonna switch my name up because I feel like these companies are getting really smart and they know when I'm calling and they know who to put on the phone. So I'm gonna call in right now. I'm gonna say like my name is Jimmy Johns or something like that. I don't know what to call myself, okay? I'm gonna call in and find out exactly what's going on. So let's go.
Thank you for calling Betterment Every Day, your new savings and checking platform.
You may continue to hold or request a callback by dialing 2. to hold or request a callback by dialing 2.
Okay, I've been on hold.
Continue to hold or request a callback by dialing 2.
I've been on hold for more than 5 minutes.
Thank you for requesting a callback. The next available associate will call you back as soon as possible. You are now free to hang up and go about your day.
You're now free to hang up and go about your day. Guys, I waited on the phone for literally almost 10 minutes. No response whatsoever from no associates. Now, I don't like this. Why? Because the whole time should be around maybe like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes max. But a whole like 7 to 8 minutes is way too long. I literally brushed my teeth. I worked out. I painted art. I did every single chore I had to do in the house. And I still couldn't get on the phone. And then what did I get? Hey, you know what? We'll call you back, okay? Just go about your day. Don't worry about it, okay? No, I wanted to talk to someone. Now I can't talk to anyone. So now I have to do this video the old-fashioned way, which is comparing them manually. So here we go, guys. The first thing is this. We're going to compare it to Varo. Compared to Varo, the first thing we're going to compare is this. Fees. Tommy, what about the fees? You know, Varo has no fees. Betterment has no fees according to them, okay? Sounds great. When it comes to early deposits, they don't have early deposits over at Betterment. But with Varo, you can actually get paid 2 days early. No problem. Some people actually get paid like 5 days early, which is crazy. But you get early paychecks with Varo. With Betterment, you don't get any of that fancy stuff. Now, number 3. Does it work with Cash App, Venmo, and all that fancy stuff? There's no information on the Betterment website, but Varo, it works perfectly with all that stuff, okay? Again, Betterment doesn't have enough information. On the top of that, they don't answer the phone either, okay? All they have is a wait list, and I'm not a big fan of that, okay? On top of that, great customer service. Varo has a great customer service base. Great customer service. I never waited more than 3 minutes for a call, but obviously here with Betterment, I've been waiting for about like 4 centuries, and I still getting a call, and I still haven't gotten a call back. So if I do get a call back during this video, I'll answer it, ask you questions again, but for right now, there's no callback. So customer service, not that good. Number 4, high yield savings accounts. You might be surprised to find out, Tommy, you know, Betterment offers 2.69%. Well, I found that yesterday from one of you guys. I can't confirm it, can't deny it, but someone said in the comments down below, Tommy, I called in and I asked, and they said, well, this entire like 2.69% is only until the checking accounts actually comes out. Then after that, we're gonna take it off. Okay, so if that is true, I don't like it. But with Varo, you actually get 2.80% if you, guess what? If you do direct deposits, you get paid early, and you use the card like more than 8 times a month, which is no big deal if you ask me. So here's my thing. 2.80%, that's all you have to do. And then you have Betterment, 2.69%, but in reality, it's not going to stay there after the checking accounts, or so they say. Again, I can't confirm it, I can't deny it, but it is what it is, and that's what I'm saying right here. Now, FDIC insurance, we all know it, $250,000, no problem. We also have ATMs. Now, here's my thing. ATMs, when it comes to ATMs, Betterment beats Varo because Varo only has around 55,000 ATMs with all points, but Betterment offers free ATM reimbursements worldwide. Does it sound familiar? It does, right? I'm going to tell you why later on in the video, but that's kind of like a carbon copy of another product that I'm pretty sure I heard about before, and you heard about before also, but it's not as good. So now here we go, guys. The last thing is this: round up savings. Now, with Varo, you can actually round up every time you spend money. They take a percentage of it, they put it in your savings, and round it up like that. Now, with Betterment, they don't talk about anything like that whatsoever, so I can't comment on it, so they probably don't have it. So when you compare Varo versus Betterment, obviously, you comment down below, you let me know, but my opinion is this. Obviously, Betterment is inferior. Is this inferior?
Inferior.
Varo comes up on top, obviously. You can comment down below, you can tell me your opinion, but in reality, that's what I think. Comment down below, let me know what you think, okay? And here's why. Early paycheck, getting 2.80%, getting good customer service, all that fancy stuff. And yes, you do have ATMs worldwide, but who cares when you can't even answer the phone, okay? So comment down below, let me know what you think. Which one is better, Varo or Betterment? Comment down below, let me know. Now, the second online bank we're gonna actually compare it to is, guess what? SoFi. Now, when it comes to SoFi, I feel like, you know, Betterment took SoFi, made a carbon copy, and took all the other features out, and they were like, okay, we're going to stick with this, and that's about it, okay? Well, with SoFi, you get a bunch of other features. I'm going to talk about them right now. Now, number one is this. No fees. Great. That's a standard. No fees here, no fees there. Nobody cares anymore. Now, free ATMs worldwide. Great. You have that. They have that too. Awesome. Great. That should be a standard, by the way. Now, number three is this. Great customer service. SoFi has never left me on the phone for more than 4 minutes. You guys left me on the phone for around like 9 to almost 10 minutes. No one has called me back yet. I've been making this video for around like the past 10 minutes. No call back yet. What's going on? Nobody knows. I don't know what's going on. Now, here's the other thing. Free financial advising. Now, if you have SoFi, you can actually call a financial advisor. They'll advise you on your budget and all the things that you're doing, and they'll help you out. Betterment doesn't have that with this entire checking accounts, just to clarify. Now, they do have discounts on loans. Betterment doesn't offer loans. SoFi offers them. Just get a discount when you actually have a checking account with SoFi. Great. Now, SoFi does have joint accounts. On top of that, they have $1.5 million in FDIC insurance. Well, you guys don't have joint accounts, and you guys only have around $250,000 in FDIC insurance. Again, does this sound kind of weird? It does, right? Sounds like a very similar like product, but not as good as the other product, right? On top of that, SoFi actually gives you career service. So for example, if you're having a hard time finding a job, they actually help you find a job. So again, SoFi is more like for budgeting, more like for getting you a job, financial services, everything like that. On top of that, give you 2.25% on a savings accounts. But here's my thing. The savings accounts with SoFi is actually together with the check-ins. You can access your money whenever you want to access it. But with these people here, with Betterment, well, it's completely separate. And you can't transfer money from your check-ins to your savings. That's what they say in the description down below, so you can search that up yourself. But it's not connected, okay? Just want to clarify that. And when it comes to requirements, well, Betterment needs $10. SoFi only needs $1. Again, that doesn't really matter. It's just $1, $10. Nobody cares. On top of that, SoFi also has referral programs. If you invite a friend, he deposits $100, you get $50, he gets $50, which is great, awesome, good job. But here's my thing, guys. When you compare SoFi to Betterment, you start to see something here, right? And it starts to roll in your head. And it says, well, you know, they took like the free ATMs, the no fees, and that's about it. But they left out everything else. You know, it's kind of like when you go inside of a McDonald's, you grab the fries, but you forget by the way, I don't eat McDonald's. Obviously, that's a bad analogy. I forgot how to eat McDonald's actually. But when you go in there and you grab like the best product, but there's no cheese on it. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense, right? So here's like a product with no cheese on it. You left everything out. Okay, it's like a burger just with a bun and mayonnaise on it. That's exactly what it is. It's a burger with a bun and mayonnaise on it. Nothing else in this Betterment service. Okay, check-ins, great. You have free ATMs, great. But that's about it. There's nothing else to you. And I hope by the time they actually release this product, they copy everything I'm saying here and they add it to their product, because again, that would make you have a better, superior product than everybody else, which is great. But right now, currently, it's just like, oh, whatever, you know, it's just a check-ins account. Nobody really cares. Sorry. So comment down below and you let me know, what do you think about SoFi versus Betterment? Which one is better so far in your head? For me, again, SoFi comes out on top again. Now, when it comes to Acorn Spend, now Acorn Spend is not free, okay? You have to pay $3 a month every single month, but you also get a Roth IRA, okay? A traditional IRA. You also get an investment account, and on top of that, you also get customer service. Again, I've never waited more than like 5 minutes for Acorn, and I always get really polite answers, and I always get callbacks whenever I ask to call back. Again, I've been recording this video for around like 20 minutes or 25 minutes, and I haven't gotten a call back yet. That's not good customer service. I think if I would have called from a different phone, they might have answered faster. But again, I am a customer, so even though it's Tommy, you should still answer the phone no matter what. Now, here's the cool thing about Acorn Spend account, right? They do have free ATMs nationwide, but you know, again, this is worldwide, so it's obviously better with Betterment. Great, awesome, good job there. Again, that should be a standard. Now, they do have found money. Found money is basically a cash back on a debit card up to 10%. Again, you guys don't have anything like that. You guys haven't made any announcements about like cash back or anything like that. So definitely like not a big deal there. By the way, here's my thing, guys, right? If you guys have a debit card, checkings accounts, whatever, you guys can offer these found money stuff like cash back. Why? Because you guys actually get paid also from affiliate links by having people actually go to other stores like McDonald's or like any of those store clothes, and you buy stuff, they get money, the customer, and then you also get money back. So you guys should be doing that also. Now, with the Acorn Spend account, every time you swipe, you can actually do roundups that'll make you go and invest it into your investment account. Now, with Betterment, again, they haven't announced anything like that. So, for example, if I use my Betterment card, will I get, you know, roundups to go into my investment account with Betterment. Is that going to happen? Is it not going to happen? Again, you guys are trying to create a product for investments, savings, and check-ins, but right now you're not even like, putting it out there that you guys are offering this stuff. So in reality, what's my incentive to even save with you guys when my checkings account isn't like really connected with my investment account? Again, this needs to be rolled out ASAP. And I don't know who's planning like the marketing campaign behind this entire like Betterment stuff, but again, guys, great. 2.69%, awesome. But Varo has 2.80%. So when you get into the check-ins account game, you have to have other features on top of that, or else people won't really join all the way. They'll just take advantage of the 2.69%, but they won't use any of the other products. Just to confirm, this is confirmed. Just gonna clarify it. So comment down below and let me know which one you think is better. Betterment or Acorns. Comment down below, let me know. Again, last video I made when I talked about the top 3 online banks, I chose Varo, SoFi, and Acorns. Why? Because of all these features. But when you compare it to Betterment, Betterment doesn't even get close. They don't get close. By the way, again, I've been recording for a while. I haven't gotten a call back yet. What's going on, Betterment? I don't understand. It's a Friday. You're supposed to be on the clock on Fridays. What's going on? Now, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I want to say thank you and also give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below that you made it all the way to the end. On top of that, I want to give you a piece of my mind, my final thoughts for your loyalty to making it all the way to the end. And here we go, guys. Here's what I actually think about this entire thing. And here it is. I think this product is a carbon copy of SoFi without all the meat. Again, a bun with mayonnaise with no cheese, no meat whatsoever, okay? It's just so plain, it doesn't make any sense. Now, the savings accounts, great, 2.69%. Unless you guys do a bait and switch it back to like 2.43%, then I will be very unhappy. But right now, the check-ins accounts isn't making any sense for me, and it shouldn't make any sense for you either. Now, on top of that, you're probably wondering, Tommy, do you recommend it? Do you not recommend it? The answer is this. No, I don't recommend it. Why? If you want a great online bank, go between Varo, SoFi, and Acorns. If you want an online bank that gives you everything, not anything that those other accounts give you, then I highly recommend Betterment because it's not that good. If you like things that aren't that good, I highly recommend it. But again, guys, here's my thing. They haven't really released the product yet. So before they release the product, they can take this entire video and debunk it and be like, okay, we're going to offer this, and this and that, and then that way you guys can actually have a better product. Again, I do these videos to point out what's missing from these products. If something's missing, you guys can actually get the advice for free and then put it inside and then make the product better for the customer. Thus, more money, more customers, a better business for you. That's my job here. It's not to critique you like crazy and not give you advice. That's what my job is here. Give you advice and improve the product in some way for us, the consumers. So again, guys, comment down below and let me know. What do you think about Betterment's check-ins accounts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Which one do you currently have? Are you going to switch over? Are you not going to switch over? Do you only care about having everything in one place, or do you care about getting the best deal for your money? Comment down below. Let me know. And as always, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, go ahead and like the video. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow every single day. On top of that, it lets me know you actually like these videos, so I'm going to keep making more and more and more. And do me a favor, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, which again, is every single day. Yes, I talk fast. On top of that, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Instagram at TommyBryson. I respond to all my DMs, okay? All my DMs get answered. Ask anyone that comments down below and tells you blah, 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 you know. I answer all my DMs 1000%. If you want to talk to all of us here on the channel, everyone in the community down here, well, just join us on Discord. Only 100 spots are open. Once those are filled, we're not going to open it up again until 2020. So again, when you still can, I'll see you guys next time on this video. Thanks for watching, and peace. Oh, and by the way, this video was around like 35 minutes, like the production time, but they still haven't called back whatsoever. So there's that.
You've got to start